Hi everyone, here we've got Alcatel U5 HD, and let me share with you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here in the personal section we have to tap on the backup and reset. Let's enter. And as you can see here in the reset options, we've got at the very first position actually network settings reset, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you, it is giving you an info that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Now we have to confirm whole operation with our screen lock. And your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset settings if you are ready. Okay, and as you can see here, we've got the info that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Alcatel U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.